there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features new products from the brand new Stampin' Up annual catalogue. This is the Circle Sayings bundle, and you'll find it on page 17 of the new catalogue. That's the catalogue right there, that's the front page, and that one right there. And here is the stamp set and bundle. So it's a fabulous stamp set, and it has a coordinating punch, so 2 3/8 inches or 6 centimeters, a circle punch. So happy to have a punch back in our Stampin' Up family. This is a really simple little card that I've made today, and I've just used two of the images in here and only 2 colors. How cute is that little cupcake? Really, really good stamp set, good all-round, fabulous sayings for all occasions. So let's go ahead and get to the stamping. So I'm bringing in a piece of thick basic white, and I'm going to stamp, we're stamping in Coastal Cabana and Fresh Freesia. Now Fresh Freesia is a colour that was in our, it was one of our in colours and is carried over, so I'm so happy because it's such a great colour. Let's punch this out. Here's our new circle punch, and I'm going to start with the celebrate image first, the words, and then I'll pop my little cupcake on the inside. So I'm using Coastal Cabana, stamping that up. I'm going to go straight up and straight down onto the cardstock. Here we go. And using Fresh Freesia, I'm going to just stamp the little cupcake. I'm not going to worry about colouring it. That can be another video for another day. Fresh Freesia and Coastal Cabana, I love them together. There we go. And there's our cupcake stamp. This is a really, really easy stamp. A really easy card to make, and I like to start with something simple with these new with the new stamp sets, just to get myself going. I've also die cut a piece of Coastal Cabana, and I use the stylish one of the circles from the Stitched Stylish Shapes dies for that one. Just going to pop a bit of Tombow on there. That on. Okay. Right. Now the card base, I've already gone ahead, is Petal Pink, and I've already embossed a piece for the top, and that is using the Raindrops. Let me just check that I've got the right one. The Raindrops embossing folder. Now this one carried over from the mini catalogue. Fabulous that it carried over, so happy. The ribbon I'm using in the background there is from the Ribbon Duo Combat. It's a Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. It features Lemon Lime Twist and Petal Pink, and I'm super happy about that too because it coordinates beautifully. So I'm just going to make a little bow here and figure out where I've put my scissors, which I thought were right in front of me, but there we go, here they are, hiding. Let's cut that one off. I really like using an embossing folder because I just think they just give you that extra little bit of texture and wow to your card, and it doesn't take, you know, any effort to do. Just putting my ribbon on a slight angle there, and a couple of dimensionals on the back of the sentiment. On, And just to finish off, I've got some of the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, which also have carried over. Which also carried over from our previous annual catalogue. So I always like it when they carry over. And what I love about these is that they just pick up whatever colour it is you've got in there. So we have so many wonderful, wonderful new embellishments in our catalogue. There'll be more of them to come for sure. Go. And let's put some more dimensionals on the back. I haven't put a piece of white cardstock in the inside because it's pretty easy to write on, but of course, you know, you can if that's your preference. So a quick and easy card to put together, only 2 different colours, 2 different inks used, and then the petal pink cardstock and the little pop of Coastal Cabana cardstock as well. I think it really makes it pop. Oops, there you go. And pop that on there and we're done. Quick, easy, simple, cute card using this fabulous new Circle Sayings bundle. I have put links to in the description bar below to the products that I've used. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.